Let's connect Google Ads to N8N. So in your N8N, you can go ahead and enter your credentials, and here you should be able to set up your Google Ads from here. So press on Add First Credential over here, and then you can search for the Google Ads OAuth to API. Then just choose the only option available, of course, and you're gonna have to put in the details, your client ID, your client secret, developer tokens as well. You should be able to directly find this information in your Google Ads and inside your API center, your developer token, your secret as well, but pretty much depends on you and where you want to get it. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and press in the sign in with Google option. And once you've done that, you can choose the sign in with Google option, which should just directly sign your Google ad and your Google account directly to your N8N. And you also have the option to add the Google Ad node. So in your project, you go ahead and press on Add First Step over here and search for Google Ads. If you do that, you'll be able to see something like this over here, the Google Ads option, and then just choose the Get a Campaign or Get Many Campaigns. Pretty much depends on you, and then there you'll be able to fill in your details. Pretty much depending on you, but there you'll be able to put in your details, and then you can execute your step. You can also search for the HTTP request if you'd like, which is basically a more manual method. You can put in your URL over here, your authentication. You can also make sure the method is on post to make this easier for you, and then just fill in the other details. If you want your URL, it's much better to use a customer ID from your Google Leads, but then just go ahead and fill in the other details as we mentioned, and then you can go ahead and try executing for your Google Ads. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can connect your Google Ads to your N8N. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.